Looking for a home in Myrtle Beach? Well, let me show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at Forest Creek Reserve. Let's go.
Hey there, I'm Lenore Miranda, your trusted real estate agent here in the Myrtle Beach area. And today, I'm excited to show you a hidden gem, 405 Vintage Circle. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by an open, airy living space with high ceilings and natural light pouring in. This home features 3 cozy bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The first bedroom is going to be right here, LVP floors and plenty of closet space. The bathroom with a shower, and the second bedroom with a closet as well. You have plenty of storage in this house. Another closet. Let's head over to the master bedroom. High ceilings, plenty of space, and a very spacious bathroom with a linen closet and a shower and garden tub combo. A very big walk-in closet, LVP floors throughout the house except for the kitchen and the bathrooms. And my favorite part, a Carolina room with a lot of natural light, fully enclosed and with a poker door for extra privacy. Informal dining area over here, overlooking the backyard. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and dark wood cabinetry throughout the kitchen. Plenty of counter space. Double sink. Let's head over the laundry area right here. And you also have a very big pantry. You have a little small coffee bar over here. And a 2-car garage with plenty of space to store all of your belongings, and also an attic space. Let's head over the backyard. You got a very big cement slab where you can put, nice patio furniture. You got a lot of grass and it's fully a fence, so if you have dogs, you have plenty of space for them. You can put your grill here as well, and you have a nice little shed outside where you can put all of your tools. Plenty of space here for your stuff. Well, with this I end the tour, so if you have any additional questions, I am here to help you.